Hi, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is Labor Day weekend of 2021. I am here in room C025 of the Mirage. Let me take you on a quick tour of what to expect in a tower suite. The first thing to know is that the only distinction between a tower suite and a penthouse suite here at the Mirage is the decor. I've stayed in a penthouse suite here before, and honestly, I think I like the decor here in this one better. As you come into the main room, there's some pretty artwork and a place to put your stuff. The double entry doors, but really the killer feature, and this is why you get a suite like this, is that they have a bar because, you know, you've got plenty of space for your friends to come over, have a drink. We stopped at the store in the airport. We got got a couple of bottles to bring with us. Coming into the main room, you've got plenty of couch space for your friends to gather. An enormous TV, and we may actually stop here to watch football games later on this weekend. And one of the things they do a great job of in this room is power plugs. There are plenty. A couple of HDMI plugs, a couple of traditional plugs. As we go through into the main room, there's not a proper desk work. Actually, there's a small desk work area there, which is fine. You're probably not here to do a huge amount of work. You've got a perfectly good dining table. And then you go into the main bedroom. The main bedroom is beautiful, and I kind of like the design where it has a lot of extra space like this. There's a seating area. That TV will disappear into the furniture. Great comfortable beds. And then going into the main bathroom, and this was originally booked as a 2-bedroom suite. Hold that thought. The main bathroom here, you've got a separate shower and tub. You don't have a steam shower function, but it's an incredibly roomy shower. You have all of your standard bathroom amenities. Dual vanity. If you walk down, a make-ready area. The toilet and bidet are in a separate room. Your closet's in a separate room. So far, so good. So far, what I've walked you through is a 1-bedroom tower suite here at the Mirage, and it's great. I love it. The problem is that I booked a 2-bedroom tower suite, and what they elected to do was give me a 1-bedroom tower suite with an attached room, and that's okay, but the attached rooms aren't as nice. Let me take you into the room which is attached. Again, plenty of space, and you've got an ability to prop the door open. So the room is smaller, right? Like there's not the empty space. Now, it's still a lovely room. You've got a desk. You've got a good TV on the wall. You've got the same comfortable bed. You've got a small closet. You've got, obviously, your own private bathroom. But the bathroom is a lot smaller. There is a combined shower and tub unit and a single vanity. So again, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I am here in a 1/2-bedroom tower suite at the Mirage Las Vegas. If you intend to book a 1-bedroom suite, it's great. If you're debating about should you book the tower suite or the penthouse suite, honestly, I would save the money. The only difference are that the penthouse suites are on the top 2 floors, and that there's a slightly different decorative scheme. That's it. It is otherwise the same suite. If you're thinking about booking a 2-bedroom suite, I would be careful. Make sure they give you an actual proper 2-bedroom suite rather than a 1-bedroom suite with an attached room. We elected to take that because I knew what I was looking at. They didn't tell us about it downstairs. I knew what I was looking at, and it was the room that was ready now. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please click like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and happy travels.